Hello, I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix money on hold on PayPal. Now just keep in mind that this is not permanent or anything like that. Like some people say you have to upload the tracking number and wait for the buyer to receive the item and then you will get your money removed from hold, but that's not true. It all takes, like, regardless if you upload the tracking number or you don't upload it, it takes around 21 days in order to get your money, regardless, like I said, if you upload the tracking number or not. Now if it's a digital product, for example, you are a freelance and you sell digital products, okay, so one thing you need to do with digital products is you want to mark it as completed on your PayPal. Now you just need to click on home, click on activity, find the transaction, click on it, like for example, and then click on add tracking number, or select there it's a digital product. Okay, mark it as shipped inside your eBay, and then the funds will be available within 7 days. Now another way which to get your funds very quickly is to get the buyer to confirm the transaction as completed. Now you just need to contact the buyer, where like someone who purchased your services or your physical product. Just tell them, hi, can you please confirm the transaction? So just tell them to confirm the transaction as completed, and then your funds will be available within 24 hours. Like sometimes it takes only a few hours, but maximum it will, like after like 24 hours the funds will be available, and then you will be able to withdraw these funds to your bank account. So you may say, what is the reason behind this? Why PayPal is holding your money? Is because you are not like selling a lot of things on your PayPal, so they are just getting to, like, they are building trust with you. And now after you start to receive multiple payments from clients, from customers, then PayPal will trust you and then like release the payment immediately, from my own experience. Also, if you are selling, for example, $100 per day worth of like services, products, and then all of a sudden you started to do 200, 300, it's like PayPal, this is you will say unusual activity, and then hold the money, just like they do with new PayPal accounts. Now don't worry, all it takes is 21 days and then the payment will be released. I understand it's very long, 21 days, but like I said, you just need to get the buyer to confirm the transaction. Just tell them, hi, please confirm that you have received the digital products or the physical products, and then the payment will be released to you within 24 hours. Now another way, like I said, is just to upload the tracking number if the product is physical. If it's digital, just add no tracking number available, and then the payment will be available within 7 days inside your PayPal. Sometimes contacting PayPal directly helps. You can just call them directly. You can just search for contact PayPal support, and then you will be able to get their numbers, like depending on on where you live. If you live in United States, you can just call them directly. You can just add your phone number, and then they will contact you. They will call you, and then you can then explain to them exactly what's happening. You can just click on contact us at the very bottom on your PayPal, and then you will be able to find the number and then enter there, or call them directly using the number, or you can enter your own number and then they will call you. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so just let me know in the comments and drop a like. That would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.